To edit text in a scanned PDF using Tenorshare PDNob, first open the scanned PDF file using PDNob software. The PDF file will automatically be read as a scanned PDF file, so it's recommended to convert it to OCR format so it can be edited. For your information, OCR PDF, or Optical Character Recognition for PDF, is a technology that converts scanned PDF documents or images containing only static text into text documents that can be searched, edited, copied, and highlighted. Okay, let's continue. Click Perform OCR to convert the scanned PDF file to an OCR PDF file. Next, Advanced Settings will appear. For output format, select Scan to Editable Text. For page range, select All Pages, and for document language, select Indonesian. Then, click Perform OCR to convert it to an OCR PDF file. Then, find the resulting OCR PDF file. It will usually appear in the location where the scanned PDF file was saved. Once you've got it, open the converted PDF file, and now you can edit the scanned PDF file as needed. This formatting change usually results in some missing elements, depending on the quality of the scan. Okay? That was easy, right? Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.